App tutorial of modern flush mount enclosed ceiling fan. This tutorial is available with multilingual subtitles. You can enable subtitles for various languages. Scan the QR code to download the app. Before opening the app, please ensure your phone's Bluetooth is turned on. Note, the app requires continuous Bluetooth connectivity for full functionality. If the Bluetooth connection is interrupted at any time, the app's features will cease to operate, necessitating a reconnection to Bluetooth. Open the app. Select the fan light with 6 settings. Attention! Turn on the light first. Then click on Setup in the top left corner within 5 seconds after turning on the light to complete pairing. After successful pairing, you can start selecting functions. You can adjust the fan speed with 6 gears. Adjust the light brightness. Adjust the lighting mode. Switch between warm light and cool light. Click the forward run button to enter summer mode, with a downward airflow for cooling and comfort. Click the reverse run button to enter winter mode, with an upward airflow circulation, allowing air to circulate and balance the temperature. Natural wind mode. Gentle airflow. Random mode. Randomly varying wind speed. Sleep mode. Low airflow. Timer shutdown. Now demonstrating setting an automatic shutdown after 1 minute. 1 minute later. Thank you for watching.